Alright guys, you've reached the point where you are ready to explore your first pre-made app. To do this, you're going to need to download the source files. And if you look, step 15 has a link to the mystery app source files. Anytime we're working with source files in App Inventor, they will have a .aia, and that will tell you that those are your files that link to the blocks and the user interface and everything that comes up on that app. So if I go ahead and click this, it's going to start a download. Initially, we had hoped that you would be able to save this within a project folder on your Google Drive, but it's giving us some issues doing that. So you're just going to leave it where it's at. We don't need to worry about it now that it's in our downloads. And we're going to go into our MIT App Creator. You're going to go to this Projects drop-down menu, and you're going to click not Start New Project, but Import Project.aia from my computer, because we're not starting a project today from scratch. We are starting with some source files. So we click that, choose the file, and then here I've already downloaded this a few times. I'm going to click on the original one, a1_1_mysteryapp.aia. I click open, then I'm going to click OK. There it is, and now I have the app that is from my textbook in App Inventor. I can go toggle between the blocks. Oh, there are some pre-made blocks for me. Awesome. And then I have my designer view. So once you've done that, you can go back to your textbook and look, they walk us through the same steps here. In case you like to read the directions more, you can go through these steps. And then you're going to answer some of these questions here about the app that we just downloaded. So go ahead and see if you can download that app and answer these questions here and explore this mystery app.